Now, a more formal definition of continuity is like this. For a function to be continuous at some number a, we need to satisfy a couple conditions. The first is that the limit must exist. So the limit as x approaches a must exist. That's criteria 1. And that limit, whatever it is, assuming it exists, has got to equal to the value of the function at a. Some textbooks actually just give you this definition right here, because in order for this to equal that, this limit has to exist. So sometimes you may just see this in your textbook, but here are conditions. The function at that value must exist. The limit as x approaches that value of the function must exist, and they have to be the same thing. Let's look graphically what that means. So let's say the number we're getting close to is, let's say, 2. And we have some function, and let's say to the left of 2 looks something like this. Okay. Remember, for a limit to exist, the left limit must be equal to the right limit. So the right side of the function has got to look something like this. Okay, so this would be the case of the limit existing. So the limit as x approaches 2 from both sides is good. So the first part is good. And furthermore, the function value at that number has got to be equal to the limit. So it looks like the limit from the left and the right are approaching this value right here. In order for this function to be continuous, we have to do the last little step, and that is to fill in that value right there. So this would be a continuous function. At this point 2, the left and the right limit exists, and it converges on the point that is actually the function value at that point.